May I now invite Honorable Vice Principal D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, who with her keen involvement, constant support, guidance and motivation to all the participants and the organizing team contributed in harmonious working and professional growth of each and every individual in their endeavors throughout this faculty development program. I invite you to address the gathering, ma'am.
Thank you, Ekta ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Respected Principal, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, sir. Respected Dr. Samir Sahasrabudhe from IIT Bombay, mentor of this international FDP on environment and sustainability. Respected chief guests and keynote speakers of today's valedictory function. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all for this valedictory function. I would personally like to welcome Ms. Danielle Wilkinson, Mr. Carl Fielder, Ms. Denise Jimenez, Dr. Samir Sahasrabudhe, Mr. Mariam, Ms. Alba, Professor Adil Dale, Professor Ariva, Dr. Suresh Ranade, Ms. Natali Sum Yuchung, and Mr. Mangalmurthy Godamgaonkar. And in addition to that, I would also like to welcome Mr. Santiago Semino, Ms. Vibhavari Patil. For this international FDP on environment and sustainability. I would like to give an introduction about my institute. D.Y. Patil College of Engineering is one of the first private engineering colleges started in Maharashtra in the year 1984. Environment-friendly, sustainable graduates is the need of our. Carbon emission needs to be controlled to maintain the safer position of the Earth in the Goldilocks zone, that is, correct distance from the sun. Every action emits carbon emission. Furious environmental effects will affect the sustainability, and less sustainability again affect the environment. Vasudev Kudumpakam, world is one family, is the approach that D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurudi always promotes. And we need to professionally inculcate this into each and everyone's life. So in this faculty development program, we have invited the expert lectures across the globe. So global expert lectures were arranged right from circular economy to carbon auditing. Participants also prepared their video, and now they can be the leader in the environment. The entire organizing team has worked very rigorously for 30 days. Speakers were also very much instrumental in making this particular international FDP a very grand success. Speakers have been invited from across the globe. So truly, this is a real faculty development program arranged by Dr. Vinay Kulkarni. And it also gives me an immense pleasure to welcome all the principals of our sister institutes, HODs, deans, faculty members from my own institute also. Maximum outcomes have been derived out of this faculty development program. We will hear from all the participants regarding the outcomes, whatever they have got out of this faculty development program. And I sincerely congratulate all the organizing committee members for having taken active participation. And all the participants also, they have taken active participation in this international FDP every day. And their YouTube videos, everything I have seen right from the beginning. So really, it's really a wonderful FDP which has been arranged by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurudi. Maximum participants have participated in this one. They have taken maximum outcomes also. Let us hear from the participants related to this faculty development program. I would also like to thank our management, Honorable Sri Satish D. Patil sir, our chairman, and Honorable Campus Director Colonel S.K. Joshi sir for having given us this opportunity to conduct this international FDP for all the participants from India. Thank you all. Over to Ekta ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. It matters a lot.